Look at these trees! So majestic! Whoa! How did that vine get there? Oh! Well, that was super rude. These leaves are a serious hazard. But there's so much beauty. I bet I can capture it. But first, these leaves have gotta go. There sure are lots of them. Just a few more. There, very nice. Here's where things get interesting. What color should I use? Black Knight, baby! It's the most mysterious color. All done. Not bad. Ready? Let's go! That felt good. Woo! Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? A nice alternative to a boring paintbrush. You can see the angst in it, can't you? Oh yeah! That splatter is awesome! Wild, just like this forest. One more. And that's how it's done. I hope people like these. They're just magical, aren't they? So random yet perfect. It may be my best piece yet. But I'll let them be the judge. And it looks like they get it. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Well done. That's quite nice. Just a little more over here.
Hey, Mommy? Mom? She's busy. I know. Can you hear this? No? Huh. How about this? Yeah? Ready? Can you hear this? She won't use her ears? I'll try one of her other senses. She'll definitely feel this. Think fast, Mama! Bullseye!
Hey, that hurt! What is this anyway? Trash?
Don't look at me!
I don't want to waste good foil. Let's put it to good use. See? A shiny blank canvas. The perfect size for these pieces. Now draw fun squiggles all around. Very nice. Then color the background. Flip these over. You can see the foil now. Don't forget to get everyone. Perfect. Next step? Paint. I'm using quick brush strokes. Now bring in a new color. Wow, awesome! A sea of fish. They even shine like real scales. Pretty cool, huh?
It needs a little something.
Let's see. I have too many brushes. This one? Or maybe this? I think I need a break. Phew. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Okay. Oh! What was that? All my bottles are adding up. Yikes. What a waste of plastic. Maybe I can do some recycling. There's more than meets the eye here. At least I think so. Carefully take your sharp blade and cut out the middle piece. There. Good thing I've got lots of these. But they could use some color. Sit tight. This may take a little while. But isn't it oh so satisfying to watch? Flip it over. We're not quite done yet. More hot glue. Stick on this rolled up paper. And poof! You're done. And to think these were bottle caps. Okay, brushes. Assemble. No more fumbling in this art studio. I love a good organizing hack. There. All done. I know just the brush to use. Maybe I want a smaller one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, next. I need more. Yes, it's brilliant. Don't you just love it out here? You feel that clean air?
Yep, super clean. Can I ask you something? Wanna do a fun craft with me?
A craft? Okay, I'll be right back. I just need the right materials. There are lots of dandelions here. I found some materials! Yay! You still want to do a craft? Check it out! It's like nature's stencil. You just have to get the shadow right. See how I'm coloring inside? It doesn't get more real than this. There, it's done.
Already? Wow! Cool! Can I try it? Just color it in here, huh? Awesome!
It looks so good.
I agree. They kinda look like palm trees.
Being creative is fun, right? Phew, it's hot out here. Oh no! My knee! Oh, I've been squatting for too long! No! Not the paint! Oh, is it really bad? Ah, these are my favorite leggings! Now what? You good? You tell me. Yikes! Wait, I can fix this. Wait, what? Just trust me on this one, and try to keep super still. Looking better already. Okay, now lean back. Make sure to move around a bit. Now do your hands. Very nice. Oh, up high! I call it a self-portrait. One angle of me anyway.
Anything good in here?
Wow! That's the most gorgeous model I've ever seen!
I feel the inspo coming in. I want to capture her beauty. But I need a solid outline first. Okay, so far so good. I spy a perfect pout. All that's left is her hair. So many beautiful curls. But it looks nothing like the picture. Ooh, I can't do it!
Honey, what's wrong?
Look!
Hold on. You just need a snack. Here.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'm hungry. Poppy seeds. So yummy. Yep, this hits the spot. And it made a huge mess. Wait a minute. That gives me an idea. Let's try this again, shall we? I went about this all the wrong way. I shouldn't have tried to draw it. I need some more texture. Poppy seeds to the rescue! Just look at them fly! And the glitter is perfection! Don't you agree? Look!
Wow, you're such a great artist!
Well, I try.
Oh yeah, feeling good. The inspiration is flowing through me. And a little caffeine doesn't hurt. Oh no! Did that really just happen? My drawing's ruined now! Oh, think. Maybe coffee is the answer. But this time, I have control. See the rain cloud? And now it's pouring. Very nice. But wait. I can use this. It gets rid of the excess. There! Much better. And with a little bit of outlining, things will really pop. See what I mean? Can't forget about our leading man. Wow! Color is such a powerful tool. From his belt to his shoes. And just like that, I'm done. I call this one the happy accident. Oh, I'd better not.
Mommy! Let's make something crazy!
Like what?
The lamp! Over there!
This one? Or do you want the bulb? I guess we could do something. I wonder what else we can use. That string would be great. Let's see. Light bulb. In my head, I mean. I sure hope this works. This thing holds a lot of paint.
You sure about this, Mom?
Watch very closely. We have to lay the string down perfectly. Now start pulling the string down. See how it drags the color? There! Like a real light bulb. Cool, right?
I can't believe it! Me next!
Okay, give it a whirl. Look at my little artist go.